Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. You might be thinking why I have no hair, because I just think this is easier to comb hair every day and try to style it before the video. Sometimes they just keep on standing up top and it's difficult to comb them. Anyhow, today we have another thing, which is Amir One from Ajmal. Now, I have been hearing a lot of great reviews about Amir One and Amir Two. Actually, I was into Amir Two, but this is a gift from one of my relatives. He was in Saudi Arabia. So they actually, there was no stock of Amir Two. So I just got Amir One. So let's open this and see what are the notes, how the scent actually evolves. I have heard a lot of great things about both of these perfumes, Amir One and Amir Two. Amir means actually the leader, so I think in Arabic. So it is kind of, let's try to, oops, it's very difficult to get the wrap out. So this is the box of Amir One. Okay, so let's try to open it. Very lovely box, blue, royal blue and golden. Ooh, this is nice. So you can see this is the inner side of this box. Inside you can see now, still camera is trying to focus, so let's unwrap this. Ooh, so this is 50 ml. I'm not sure why the cap is coming off. So this is the bottle, Amir One from Ajmal. Very, very lovely bottle design. This is the box and the bottle, Amir One. Okay, so let's try to find out what we have hidden in the scent profile. So let's try to sniff it. Ooh, this is something different. So I'm going to spray it on the strip first and then on my hand, because last time I did a video of a perfume, and when I sprayed it on my hand, it was totally different story. So let's spray it on the strip first. Oh, it is very close to one of the Rasasi I have, I think, Al series. Start was almost like that, light oud, very lovely, sweet, refreshing, a very light animalic touch. This is really, really lovely stuff. So far I am loving it, because the balance of the Hindi oud or Cambodi oud or the animalic touch with the florals and the sweetness is really perfect right now. Ooh, this is refreshing, this is uplifting, this has citrus, this has a great balance of sweet, citrus, oud with some florals in the background. Beautiful stuff. This is really, really lovely perfume. If it keeps this same accord on my skin, I'm going to, this is going to be one of my top 10 perfumes. Let's try to see if there is something different in the dry down. Refreshing, light florals or yellow florals, white florals. I really hate them. They are in the background. Otherwise, I might have this bald headache right now. So now I think the florals and sweetness is coming a bit up, and the oud is getting a bit low or at the background. Yes, there is something that is irritating. I think it's some kind of rounded musky floral. So let's spray it on my hand now. So let's see. On the hand, I have a sweet, musky citrus start top. Yes, you can see now this change, things are changing. Yes. So this is actually some of the chemicals when any perfume you try to spray, they emit in the start. So yes, lavender is there. The lavender and the oud, if you combine them perfectly, they are a brilliant combination. So if you think that you are, if I had a natural attar, which had musk, oud and lavender, and it was really, really lovely. One of my favorite attars. It is kind of like vibrating, oscillating kind of, florals like, and then there is a base of oud, then it has a sweet rounded thing going on with it. I'm just trying to see if there are white florals that are going to, give me some headache or something like that. I'm not sure, but it is reminding me of some perfume. I think if I recall, I am going to point it over here in the video. It is very close to Rasasi Asrar or in the Al Baruz series. If you combine Rasasi Asrar and there was Ruhal Oud or something other than that, which had Hindi Oud, I think I have reviewed them. Yes, but it is really, really lovely and balanced. I really love the oud over here. You can see the oil is inside it, so it has very oily. My skin is very oily. So try avoiding, try to avoid spraying this on your skin. Sorry, on on your clothes. Now it has light woody base, which is mostly oud oil for me. It is kind of like a little bit of, sexy kind of Cambodi or Hindi oud. It is really lovely, sensual. Yes, it is a very, very lovely perfume, but I'm not sure how powerful it is because right now I'm not sniffing much in the air. But it is like very close to my skin right now. It's refreshing, oudhy, lavender, light florals, woody, sensual, romantic kind of perfume. This is all how I can describe it. It has no problems. Still now I am not getting any note or chemical that is irritating my head. Very, very lovely, very balanced. I'm sensing some natural in there. I think there are naturals. So this is a very, very lovely and very balanced blend from Ajmal. I think now I have to get Amir too and try to review that. Very lovely. I think it's a unisex. Women can also wear it. It's very, very beautiful, and I think it would be very, very lovely on a woman's skin because it is not, vibrating or very polarizing. It is when you go close to your wife or your loved one, the skin, the scent is really, really attractive and sensual. So this is my review about Amir One. Really thumbs up. This is a very, very lovely perfume. I'm going to give it 9 out of 10 right now. I'm not sure how it dries down, but right now it is really lovely. Scent profile 9 out of 10. Performance I would give like 6 out of 10 right now. I think it is not very powerful, but it is going to stay if you spray 3 or 4. I am going to test its performance by spraying 2 or 3 sprays on my neck, and we'll see how long it will last. I think it is going to last 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours max for me. But on skin, I think it is going to last longer because it has good amount of oil and it sticks on your skin. So let's give it like 7 out of 10 for performance. I'm not sure. I will read the reviews of other people. I think it is going to lack the performance because it doesn't have the punch. Okay, so some perfumes you spray, they just spread in the whole room, and they tell that you have used that perfume. They actually announce it in the speaker. Okay, so this is my review about Amir. I hope if you have used it, or if you have used Amir 2 or 1, I would really recommend for women. If you are in Arab countries, it is going to go well with the weather, with the heat and everything. It is going to be very lovely perfume for men and women. Very delicate, very decent perfume. You can wear it in the office too. It is not offensive or very romantic. Okay, so it is just very really good balanced perfume. So I will meet you in another video with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I forgot that there are a lot of Arab people and other Muslims brothers that actually watch my channel, so that's why I started saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.